Hey, happy Monday. Hope everybody is having a great day. Before we start, if you're not subscribed, please click that red button. Click on the bell for notifications when you come in. Please give me a thumbs up so my videos can get into the notifications. I think I'm bringing out some good content, some different stuff, recipes, fitness tips. Help us out. That's all I'm saying. So as you can see, this box is huge. And let me get this in the chair. Oh, I also want to say too is that with CrowdCow, go check them out. You can schedule out your deliveries. You can cancel the delivery for that month. The shipping is free. And also, too, it comes through FedEx Home, so it comes early. It doesn't come late at night, or at the end of the day as well. So that's a good thing. And they look up the temperature that it's going to be in your town, and they pack it with dry ice according to what the temperature is going to be. So the food is frozen still when it comes. So I'll be back. So this is the top of it. This is packing that you can just put water on and it disintegrates or whatever. They send you this little card. I ordered some Wagyu beef. Okay, so I'll just put this in the chair. So there's some little information booklets on the meats, the beef. And their grading system. This is a little note that they gave me. They're a very good company. I've had positive, outcome with them so far. When they send your order, you can schedule your order for whatever date. You can cancel that month. You can change it around. You can do all of that. So I was constantly, and every time you change it, they'll send you an email letting you know that you changed your order, you took stuff off, which you added. They send you an email when it ships out with the tracking number, what the temperature is going to be for your town, how much dry ice they put into it, to keep it cold and frozen. Even if it's sitting outside long after it gets to you. So they give all of that. So this is their thing. So they told me they was putting 30 pounds of dry ice. This one is empty. And you have to be careful with this dry ice because they sent this out on Friday. And so it's a 3-day FedEx Home ground delivery. And it's another one. Okay. And it's some paper. Paper. So let me see what this is. So let me turn this around. Sorry, you're gonna be looking at my mint section, but this is some Wagyu A5 Wagyu ground beef, and this came from Kagoshima, Japan. This is 1 pound. It has the lot it came from. The cow is from Japan, but the meat company that it was at was Smithco Meats in Sumner, Washington. So this is ground, A5 ground Wagyu. And it was $35 for this, which is a good price if you want to try $8.5 because the steaks are pretty expensive. Then I have some hot dogs for my son. I thought I was going to get a little bit more than this for the price, but he eat about 3 each. But these are uncured rustic sugar-free beef hot dogs. These are some from Wilderness Farms pork, uncured bacon ends and pieces. I like to put bacon into my salads. So I figured, let me try some of these, you know, bacon ends. And this is what it looks like. They're a little bit bigger than I thought. I thought they was going to be a little bit smaller, but... And this is 0.52 pounds. This is from... Who is this from? I don't know who it's from. But this is the cow. And on the back it says all of the information, no nitrates and all of that stuff. Then we have some boneless pork chops right here by Wilderness Farms. We have right here from Black Wing Farms is a buffalo flank, 1 pound. This is chicken wings, pasture raised. I'm glad that they got the nutrition information right here. They're hand trained. I got some bone broth. I decided to try turkey. It's pretty clean. Then I bought some ground buffalo from Black Wing Meats. Again, I'm glad that they got the nutrition info on here. I got some, because I did like these. These are Wagyu. I think this is American Wagyu ground beef. I bought 2 before and they were really good. And so I bought 2 more. Oh, they sent me some salt. They sent me some saltgrass sea salt for free. What is this? Then this is Highview Ranch beef for stir fry. This is Wagyu, I believe. Hence all of the marbling that's on it. I did have my thing up here. Okay. What did I just do with it? Is this it? So yeah, this is Wagyu beef stir fry. I had 2. I'm supposed to have 2 of these. I'm looking at my receipt. Maybe it's under this next level of paper. Then I got some pork uncured jowl bacon. Again, I had bought this for my salads. These are some big pieces. So I guess it's a jowl is more like big pieces of bacon. And these are like ends. What's this? I got some pork stir fry from Wilderness Farms. This is 1 pound. These are lamb. This stuff is so cold. These is 1 pound of lamb cubes from Umpqua Valley Lamb Farm. And then these are another pack of chicken wings. Take off another roll of paper. They section off each of the pieces with paper. So I got 2 more of those Arctic wolf fish. These are very good. That's what I made those fish balls with. And my daughter was like, she liked it. She liked it better than the salmon cakes. Another piece of paper. This is another Wagyu stir-fry beef from Colleague Wagyu Ranches. And this is my other stir-fry, my other beef stir-fry from Highview Ranch. And this is Wagyu. You can see the marbling, the fat content. I'm running out of space over here. And then I have my spatchcock chicken. I bought 2 of these from Pasture Raised Cook's Venture Farm. I'm glad too that they got the whatever this is on here. I'm trying to find places to put this. My second chicken. And then I got my son some shrimp burgers. I don't eat these things. These are blue shrimp. 1 pound, there's 4 of them in here from Del Pacifico Wild Caught Seafoods. And it does have nutrition information and everything about the company on here. So that is it for my crowd count order for this month. All of this was $317. And I'm gonna just go back through it, make sure I got everything. But all of this was $317.96, and that was with my membership. You get a 5% membership discount, so it was $16.73 for my discount, and the shipping was free. And you can do everything from your account on crowdcow.com. So if you're interested, start off with a small order, just some things to see how you like the company, how you like the different meats. You can shop by different farms if you want to. If you like meat from a particular farm and say, hey, I want to go back to that farm to buy my, I don't know, chicken breast. You know, you can do that too. So that's it for this video. And as I cook, I will let you know how I like everything. I will show you what recipes I'm making with the meat that I got. And we'll go from there. So peace. Give me that thumbs up.